Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm from Digit Technology, and today we will discuss how to protect yourself from coronavirus COVID-19. First of all, I will make your attention here. Old adults and people who have severe underlying medical condition like heart or lung disease or diabetes seem to be at high risk for developing more serious complications from COVID-19 illness. Know how it spreads. There is currently no vaccine to prevent coronavirus disease 2019 COVID-19. Best way to prevent illness is to avoid being exposed to this virus. The virus is thought to spread mainly from person to person between who are in close contact with one another within about 6 feet through respiratory droplet produced when an infected person coughs or sneezes. These droplets can land in the mouth or nose of people who are nearby or possibly be inhaled into lungs. Take steps to protect yourselves. Clean your hand often. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after you have been in public places or after blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing. If soap and water are not readily available that contain at least 60% alcohol, cover all surfaces of your hand and rub them together until they feel dry. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Avoid close contact. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Put distance between yourself and other people if COVID-19 is spreading in your community. Take steps to protect others. Stay home if you are sick. Stay home if you are sick, except to get medical care. Cover cough and sneezes. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Use the inside of your elbow. Throw used tissue in the trash. Immediately wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. If soap and water are not readily available, clean your hands with a hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol. If you are sick, you should wear a face mask when you are around other people, like sharing a room or vehicle, and before you enter a healthcare provider office. If you are not able to wear a face mask, for example because it causes trouble breathing, then you should do your best to cover your cough and sneeze, and people who are caring for you should wear a face mask if they enter your room. If you are not sick, you don't need to wear a face mask unless you are caring for someone who is sick and they are not able to wear a face mask. Face masks may be in shortless supply and they should be saved for caregivers. Clean and disinfect frequently. Touch surface daily. This includes tables, doorknobs, light switches, countertops, handles, desk, phones, keyboard, toilet, faucet, and sink. If surfaces are dirty, and clean them with the help of detergent or soap and water prior to disinfection. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and share